In the captivating world of animation, nothing quite matches the thrill of seeing oneself come to life in vibrant, dynamic form. Today we're exploring the fascinating process of animating oneself and the magic that unfolds when artistry meets technology. The first step in this creative journey is preparing your assets. Think of this as gathering the raw materials for your animated masterpiece. It involves taking clear, high-quality images or footage of yourself from various angles. These visuals will serve as the foundation for your animation. Next, we'll navigate the landscape of Blender, a powerful open-source 3D creation suite. Importing your assets into Blender is like introducing your raw materials to the workshop, where they'll be shaped and molded into something extraordinary. The third step involves setting up reference points. These are key features on your face and body, such as your eyes, nose, mouth, and joints. They serve as anchors, guiding the animation process and ensuring the movements and expressions of your animated self are accurate and lifelike. Creating a simple rig is the next step. Think of this as creating a skeletal framework for your animated self. It's a crucial component that brings structure to your animation, allowing for realistic movement. Then comes the exciting part: keyframing facial expressions. This is where your animated self begins to show signs of life, expressing a range of emotions from joy to sadness, surprise to contemplation. Next, we'll animate body movements and gestures. Whether it's the subtle nod of a head, a wave of the hand, or an energetic dance move, these animations breathe life into your digital self. The seventh step involves lip-syncing techniques. If your animated self is going to talk the talk, it needs to do so convincingly. These techniques ensure your animated character's speech aligns perfectly with the words being spoken. Refining movements follows next. This is where we polish and perfect the animation, fine-tuning each movement to ensure it flows naturally and seamlessly. Adding personal touches is an important step. This is where your animated self truly becomes a reflection of you. Personal quirks, unique mannerisms, signature styles, these are the elements that make your animation uniquely yours. The final step is rendering and sharing your animated self. After all the hard work and creativity, it's time to showcase your animated masterpiece to the world. In conclusion, animating oneself is a creative journey that involves a series of steps from preparing assets, importing them into Blender, setting up reference points, creating a rig, keyframing expressions, animating body movements, lip-syncing, refining movements, adding personal touches, and finally, rendering and sharing. It's a process that brings together artistry and technology, culminating in a unique, personalized animation that's as vibrant and dynamic as you are. This process has unlocked a new dimension of creativity, giving you the skills and knowledge to animate yourself like a pro. So, stay creative, keep exploring, and continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the mesmerizing world of animation. Until next time, this is your guide to animating yourself, signing off.